How to manage Proton Mail storage. If you're running low on storage on your Proton Mail account, in this quick video, I'll show you some of the ways that you can take in order to clear up some storage inside of your account. The first thing you need to do is check how much storage that you have remaining. To do that, head over to the settings on the top right and then click on all settings. From all settings, make sure you head over to dashboard and it is going to show you the exact mail storage along with the drive storage that you have remaining. Now, in order to clean up some storage, you can file large emails by using simple search operators. If you head back to your inbox section, click on the search bar and then add in this search operator. What it's going to do is find emails that have attachments and which are larger than 5 MB. This way you can find those attachments and then completely remove them. So just click on search and it is going to display all of the emails that are available for that exact search operator. But make sure when you delete, it is just going to be deleted from the inbox, but it will still remain in the trash section. In order to remove it and free up some storage, you'll also need to delete it from the trash as well. So select the mails that you have on your trash after you deleted them from your inbox and then click on the delete permanently option. Only this way you're going to free up some space from your Proton Mail account. So you can follow these exact steps by deleting mails that you don't need and that have large storage. Now, once you completed these steps, the other thing that you can do is if you have subscribed to a newsletter, you can just unsubscribe to those that you don't read anymore. This way you do not get constant emails that are sent to your inbox and that are not of your use. So just open up any email that you are subscribed to currently. This way you're going to find an option called unsubscribe at the bottom of the page if this is a newsletter, and you can just unsubscribe to it. The last thing that you can do, even after you've done all of these steps and you're still getting low storage, and the way that you can manage your storage is to get a new plan. If you are on a free plan of Proton Mail, you can subscribe to a Mail Plus or Proton Unlimited. This way you're going to get more storage on your email as well as your drive. So these are the few things that you can try out in order to manage your Proton Mail storage. If this video did help you out, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also do check out other videos for more informative videos just like this.